Grow bags with coco peat are the best alternative to soil cultivation. These bags help in increasing the yield multifold with less space consumption. Let's take a look how we manufacture it. Koco Koir, rooted in eco-friendly values, operates from the heart of South India's Manchester, Coimbatore. Dedicated to sustainability, it sources raw materials within a 50-kilometer radius. The company's journey is marked by a commitment to environmentally conscious practices, positioning it as a responsible player in the coir industry within the vibrant and industrious landscape of Coimbatore. Koco Koir begins with sourcing coconut husks, a byproduct of coconut farming and oil production, serving as a natural and renewable raw material. These husks undergo in-house processing to create coir pith, coconut chips, and crunch, showcasing the company's dedication to quality control and sustainable practices. From the roots of coconut cultivation to the final coir products, Koco Koir's comprehensive process embodies a commitment to excellence in every step of the production journey. Isolated from coir fiber, coir pith becomes the focal point, a nutrient-rich, spongy core, serving as the essence of Koco Koir agricultural substrates. It cradles plants with care. At the end of its life cycle, coir pith can be composted, providing an eco-friendly alternative, completing a sustainable circle in the company's cultivation practices. The husk is shredded to form crunch, which combines pith and cut fiber in its natural ratio. With optimal water holding capacity and aeration, it suits various plant needs. The durable fiber proves versatile, making it ideal for mid to long-term crop cultivation. The coir chips are cubes cut from the husk. Their cuboid shape allows them to store water as well as create larger gaps for the water to drain faster and retain larger pockets of air. Coir pith, chips, and crunch are washed and dried separately, removing excess salts present in them. In the process, it creates low electrical conductivity, EC, for optimal plant growth. Optionally, sodium and potassium ions are removed to make way for calcium ions by a chemical process, crafting a more favorable environment for softer crops. The water used as a vital element in the composition undergoes a purification sonata through reverse osmosis, RO, for phytosanitary reasons. The material is then washed in tanks that are flooded and left overnight. This technique allows us to save up to 40% of the water required. The effluent water is treated using enzymes and oxygenation. The materials are squeezed and dried in transparent covered yards. The material finds shelter from contamination from animals, birds, and insects, and also accelerates the drying process, allowing operations to continue even during the monsoon season. The covered yards trap and retain heat, allowing our material to dry faster and use less land. The three materials, coir pith, chips, and crunch, are brought into the final stage, where the materials are mixed and compressed according to the client's specifications. This helps in creating different levels of water holding capacity and aeration capacity in the substrate. This bespoke composition ensures that every client's unique needs are met, creating a personalized product for each farm. The coir can be compressed into grow bags, open tops, discs, and nursery pellets. This variety helps the farmer to use his space efficiently and productively. As the material takes shape, it undergoes precision drilling, holes that support different steps involved in farming. Drip holes in the slab create designated spots and uniformity, while planter holes facilitate the swift transplant from nursery to farm. playing a role in the growth of the plants. The plastic bags, which play a pivotal role in this composition, are UV certified to meet the client's requirements. These bags carry holes according to customer specifications, ensuring the drip and plant holes align with the brick. The drain holes control the water retention for the growth of the plants through the drain holes. Our distinction lies in not only offering specialized coir growing media, but also in our relentless focus on punctuality. We prioritize and excel in timely deliveries, understanding the critical importance of meeting our customers' schedules and requirements. The drying sheds prevent fine particles from flying to neighboring farms and villages, creating zero air pollution. An added elevation is the Startup India recognition and certification awarded in 2021, leading to multifold growth. With our in-house production facility, we have exported 400 containers and 100,000 cubic meters of ready-to-use high-quality material to 23 countries in 2023. Our philosophy is to experiment and lift the technology and systems used in the industry to reduce labor and manual interference and bring uniformity to the product. It is an innovative growing industry, and we are the pioneers of it. This is the transformation Koco Koir wants to bring about in the agriculture of India through its innovative and cost-effective solutions. Koco Koir is transforming the face of agriculture through sustainable farming methods.